Welcome to this week of Fly Rod Chronicles. We're rolling through the hills of wild and wonderful West Virginia. We're headed down to see our good friend Jake Music in Southwest Virginia. There's been this brown trout that's eluded me now for at least 2 years, we know, and we're going after Bad Betsy. Also, we have just an incredible story in this show.
Project Healing Waters not only got me into fly fishing, it saved my life. I didn't discover fly fishing until then. I didn't discover artwork really until then.
She's a Project Healing Waters member, and she's coming down, special guest to fish with us. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned. This is gonna be an incredible episode. Big Betsy, Big Bad Betsy.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
I-77 south is on the right.
There's something and a satisfaction about fishing with a veteran, having daughters and having a wife who served in the military. Having that opportunity to fish with Jessica means a lot to me personally. You know, Jessica, she was injured, and knowing that fly fishing is what brought her back, is what gave her something to live for, it's a pretty cool story.
Proceed on I-77 south.
And I heard that she's an amazing artist, and she draws one of my favorite things, and that's fish. So I just can't wait to meet her.
Riverbound Extreme is going to be the perfect place to fish. The beauty of the area and the fish is second to none, and the owner, Jake Music, is also a veteran.
Having been a veteran myself and served in a more unsavory war situation, being the Vietnam War, we really don't want today's veterans to feel like they're not appreciated and not valued. So any opportunity we get to have them come fish with us and spend time with us and we can show our gratitude, we welcome that opportunity.
You know, going down the Riverbound Extreme, it always fires me up because you always have a chance to catch that fish of a lifetime. I mean, a trophy. We got a fish down there that we've named Betsy. With Betsy, I am obsessed with her. And I probably need to explain this segment to my wife. Betsy is that mean, ugly brown trout. Our logo. We're obsessed. We love that male brown that's got the kite. You know, the females they call a hen. With the winter season coming up, she's feeding, she's trying to put some weight on, and we've got a mouse pattern, one-eye Mickey. And it's go big or go home with this fish. Being with people that has served our country has given the ultimate sacrifice. Spending that time with them on the water is the best therapy for me personally, and that I think anyone that respects our country can do or have.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love fly fishing because it challenges me both physically and mentally. When you go out on a stream, it doesn't discriminate. It doesn't say, I'm gonna take it easy on her because she's disabled. I'm, gonna flow a certain way. It's constantly challenging. You have the current that you fight against. You have the fish that you fight against, and it gives you these moments that you can't experience anywhere else.
Oh, look at that. Look, it's a beast. It's on fire too. What is that sound? That's my favorite sound in the world right there.
And that's why I love fly fishing.
That is so cool. That drag is exploding.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh man, look at him. Oh my gosh.
Nice, nice. We get to see him now. Oh, he's a toad. He is a toad.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. His gill plate's got, I mean, just gorgeous red. Ah, he's gorgeous. Oh, you think you could paint that?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's it. How you doing? You feeling all right?
Yep.
This is your physical therapy this morning, you know?
Oh, it truly is.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the awesome thing about it though. You don't feel the pain whatsoever.
No, no.
You're just focused on him.
Oh, look at this fish. Wait, wait, you see his gill plate. I'm telling you, you're going to
You ready?
Yeah, I am.
Woo!
All right, if you can swing him towards me.
Yeah!
Oh my God! This is a freaking beast! This is a beast.
Oh my gosh!
Look at this gill plate on this thing.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at him roll. Oh man. Oh, this is for sure gonna be another painting.
I tell you what, I don't know a lot about art, but I know one thing. I appreciate what that girl can do.
Oh, beautiful. You ready, buddy? Project Healing Waters not only got me into fly fishing, it saved my life. I didn't discover fly fishing until then. I didn't discover artwork really until then.
You know, Jessica's story is really unique because, you know, she found solitude. She found that way of being able to rest through fly fishing and through her artwork. You know, back to women, strong women. You know, I've got 2 daughters and a wife that's, you know, was in the military, and I love seeing when, you know, these strong women that really thrive in the outdoors, and that's Jessica. Look at it, he's going freaking nuts. That's a big fish. All right, let him take the line. Oh, it's a big fish. That was so cool. This is a great fish. When he wants to run, let him run. So, you know, I found out that Jessica isn't just a great artist, she's quite the fly fishing gal. I mean, she is obsessed. She's very attentive on the water, always looking for the different hatches and just looking to up her game. And to watch her enthusiasm is something that, you know, when I'm having a bad day or things are not going right, I mean, I think back of people like Jessica that, you know, that was injured and again, uses fly fishing for therapy. Oh, come up out there, come up out there. He's dying to get you in that rock.
I know. Smart little guy.
Look at this guy.
It's hard to compare fly fishing and art. There's no words that can describe it. You can't put it into words, and so many people have tried, and while it describes the feeling at that moment, you can never put it all together and be able to say, this is what fly fishing does for me, this is what art does for me. I know that you guys say that it's wonderful what we did, but it's wonderful that what you guys do, being able to recognize, you know, just how much this is therapeutic and being able to share that with us and being so happy for us. I just need to say thank you. This truly means the world to us.
I'm a fishing bum.
Supporting and providing folks with healing waters and the veterans with healing waters an opportunity to come fish with us here at Riverbound is a privilege.
And you get to release him back into the wild so somebody else can enjoy him. Look at that fish. Look at that. Would you just look at that?
All right, buddy.
That was a release. Let me count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still got 10 toes. Wow. Fishing with Jessica, knowing what they've been through, mentally, physically. I didn't know them personally when I came down here. Instantly, fly fishing brought us together. I felt like after just being with them for a short time that I've known them forever. I can't say there's anything out there that makes me feel more American, more proud, happier than fishing with some of our veterans that served our country. So, you know, when we do stand-ups like this, Jessica, you know, right here behind me, she sent this to me, and it's something that, you know, that I'll have forever, and look back and remember our story, and remember, you know, how great of a person she is, and how great of an artist she is. I've been coming down here for 6 years now, 7 years now. And I discovered Betsy over 3 years ago. And we named her Betsy because we knew she was a female. And I have struggled with her. She's broke me off. She's finned me. She sent me home upset. And she's denied me. And you know, it's like, I'm determined. I came down here with one fly box. We know that winter is about to set in, and these fish are wanting to get beefy, get big, and they're gonna eat big. So we're gonna throw big flies. Got one eye Mickey, missing one eye, an old beady black eye just staring at me. Ugly little creature.
When I am casting at a big fish, everything is going through my mind at once. I'm totally focused and keep telling myself that this is the cast that is going to connect. So be ready.
For me personally, fly fishing is, there's a mystic, it's mysterious. No matter how good you think you are, at any given day, stalk stream, wild stream, lake, wherever, you can be skunked. On the other hand, when you are down and you're thinking it's just not gonna happen, fly fishing, the fly fishing gods will smile on you. That's Betsy. I just seen her turn. That's Betsy. That's Betsy. Look at her. She's taking me to the wall. When that fish come up and it grabbed one eye Mickey, instantly, it was Betsy. That is Betsy. That is Big Bad Betsy. We're dueling again. That is Betsy. Oh my goodness. She's bigger than I thought she was. That is a 30 plus fish taking me for a ride.
7.
I'm gonna try to bring her down in this slower water. This is Big Bad Betsy. We've been dueling at least 3 years with her. I'm telling you folks, that is a at least 10-year-old fish right there. If I can get her over in this slow water, I'm gonna put a net to her. So, you know, when you hook into a fish like that, usually you know right off the bat it's a big fish. And you know, when you get those head shakes and it's just like boom, boom, and it's like moving your whole wrist, yeah, you know you're in for a fight. And then immediately you start thinking about the knot you tied. You know, was it a good one? You know, did I tie it? You know, and then you start thinking about, you know, gosh, was it we called it one eye Mickey. It only had one eye. Was this thing put together good? And the longer you fight it, you think, you know, is it going to pop out? And you want to keep that tension on it at all times. And it just, you know, it's kind of like going back to when you played, you know, when you played competitive sports. You know, you're thinking, all right, do I try to move this thing left or right? And it becomes a chess game between you and that fish. And it's, you know, sometimes just like chess, sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. And this time we got the victory.
I mean, she has given me everything. Look at that fish. Look at this fish. Guys, we're going for a ride. Don't go over there, please. Come on, let me turn you, let me turn you. Let me turn you. Come on over here. Talk about tennis elbow now, boys. It is back. I need one reel. There she goes. Oh my gosh, there's Betsy. Look at this fish. Oh, God. That is Betsy. I have netted Big Betsy. Unbelievable. Look at this, folks. This is a brown trout. That is an incredible brown trout. We've been dueling with Betsy now for 3 years. And my goal now is to put this fish back and let someone else enjoy what I've gotten to enjoy. This is incredible. You know, after catching a fish like this and going through a long journey to catch a big fish like that, I'm done. There's no way I can top that fish. Incredible. I'll never forget that fish. And this fish, you know, Big Betsy, what an honor it was to be able to just throw at her, let alone to hook her and fool her on a mouse pattern. It was something that, you know, we thought about. We even was looking at moon phases. We was looking at, you know, the temps and when's this thing going to eat and start eating for the winter. And it's just like, it's one of those catches that really just came together. It was just like, man, something that we'll relive over and over. And again, it's what makes you want to do it over. So fishing with Jessica, you know, it was an honor. Found out just how great of a fly fisher person she is, and her passion for the outdoors and passion for fellow veterans. It was just an honor to share the water with her and to be able to, you know, duel with a big fish like this. So, you know, hey, if we had days like this, we'd be so happy we'd not need medication or anything. So, so come back next week for more Fly Rod Chronicles.